Hello children, today's story is Car Car Truck Jeep. Car truck Jeep, have you any fuel? Yes sir, 3 tanks full. 1 for the red bus, 1 for the train, 1 for the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. Honk honk, beep beep, driving down the road, pass by the tractor with its heavy load. There goes a motorbike weaving to and fro. Stop at the red light, then zoom, off we go. Chugga chugga choo choo, race along the track. Pull along the carriages, clack clickety clack. Arriving at the harbour by the seaside. Hop on the hovercraft, such a bumpy ride. Flicker flacker, what's that in the sky? Look, it's a helicopter buzzing on by. Spot the yellow taxi bouncing up and down. Climb slowly up a steep hill on the way to town. Rumble, rumble, scrape, dig, there's a dumper truck. Digger lifts the bucket filled with dirt and muck. Flashing lights and sirens, a police car rushes past. When there's an accident, they must get there fast. Vroom, vroom, screech, roar on the motorway. It's time for bed, now we've had a busy day. Oh, says the red bus. Snores the train. Sweet dream, says the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. The end. I hope you like the story.